This time we're taking a look at a Colt Diamondback, and I'll be the first to admit I know very little about these except that they're very collectible, very cherished by Colt Revolver collectors. And I think the reason for that is it looks like a kind of a miniature version of the Python, and they're not super common. Pretty rare to find one, especially in nice condition like this one. And you can see that it's a 22 long rifle with sort of the classic Colt revolver look. Like all Colts, you pull back on that to drop the cylinder. Recessed chambers, nice ejector, very comfortable, nice sight picture. Adjustable sights in the rear, standard blade front sight. Definitely a nice looking 22 revolver. Pretty aggressive styling. Hard to find, and getting to be pretty expensive. I don't think they're quite $1,000, but they're, many hundreds of dollars for one in this condition. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.